Good day. Our topic for today is rectifying this grounded igniter. Question: how can you detect if the igniter is grounded? As you can see, the tip of the igniter is near to the diffuser. The diffuser is the head of the burner, the circular plate. This is the igniter. There is a crack, and that is also a hint that that is prone to grounded to the body of that burner. Connector cord is okay, and we need to remove that one. There is a securing Allen bolt. Then first step, we need to use a insulation tester or IR tester. This is the very important tool that you need to use in checking grounding. First step, black is black at the body of the burner, and then red test. As you can see, the grounding is not properly attached, the black one. And then check 00 meg. It means black and the red probe is connected. Okay, reading 00, not good. 550 meg ohm, it's good. The one igniter is good. Next igniter 00 meg, almost grounded to its body. The lower one, the igniter is the lower part of that igniter. That part is grounded because 00 meg, and the top is 500 meg. It means that is good. Below is 0 meg. To the body 0, to the probe 0. Next 550. It means at the top igniter is good, but below is totally grounded, almost grounded. Okay, we need to remove that one and change the igniter, and also check the cord. We have also separate video how to use that insulation tester. Okay, we will check that cord. It's good. Connector is also good. We need to change the new igniter. Additional tip, please refer to your manual the distance, actual distance, the preferred distance of this igniter. There is a distance to the nozzle and also distance on the tip of that igniter, because there is a different versions of boiler and different makers. You need to refer to your manual for exact measurement. In our next video, we tackle about this burner and how to dismantle, and also the construction of the nozzle. But for now, we need to focus on the igniter and how to check if the igniter is working properly. Okay, we'll already replace a new igniter, and the reference for me is in my screwdriver. This is very effective. As you can see, my screwdriver, the tip of the screwdriver, I check the distance going to that diffuser, and also check the distance for the igniter. The tip of the igniter and my screwdriver is almost the same. Take note, the distance of the nozzle and the diffuser going to that tip of the igniter must be greater than compared to its two probe of that igniter. Okay, the distance, that is the distance of nozzle going to that tip of the igniter, must be greater than to its two probes of the igniter. Okay, need to connect Okay, we need to connect the high tension cable to the igniter, and then the two button or the switch mode, switch to emergency and push button for the ignition. That is the two switch that we need to operate so that we can see the actual ignition. Okay, switch to emergency mode and press the ignition button so that you can see the actual ignition of that igniter. And the igniter is working very good. I hope you learned from it, and then please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell for more updates. Thank you for your support.